challenge is that the statement is on record. I've been requested for 2 days. Last time on before you. This court was magnanimous, and we appreciate. Give them 7 days. My Lord, faced with a few admissions which are apparent on record. But the state has a few conclusions which may lead to even the applicant being produced in court by tomorrow. One of the such conclusions is that there is a possibility of the applicant being produced before court tomorrow.
That you, Honorable Muwanga Kivumbi and others still at large on the 9th day of July 2026, Butambala Village, Gombe Ward, Gombe Town Council within the Butambala district, while addressing the public gathering, unlawfully incited members of the public to commit acts of violence against government officials and unlawfully overthrow the government of the Republic of Uganda by urging them to support his plans to wage war against the state power. That is count one. Count two. How do you feel on count one? Count two, it is managing unlawful society, contrary to section 53 of the Penal Code Act, Act 128. It is also alleged that you, Muwanga Kivumbi Muhammad, and others still at large on the 9th day of July 2026 at Butambala Village, Gombe Ward, Gombe Town Council within the Butambala district, managed unlawful society by organizing, encouraging, or supporting unlawful society by organizing, encouraging, or supporting members of the public to rise up against the unlawful overthrow of the government of the Republic of Uganda. How do you feel about that?
PNG insights on count 1 and count 2.
Yes, but yes, and I agree carefully with what I'm saying, but I would have used the word abducted. But I'm saying I was picked on a roadblock mounted by Uganda Police Force at Mpigi, while I was questioning why I was being told to branch to the Mpigi police station. A drone just appeared, and if I could say much, they picked me out of my car. And when I was in the drone, I was, the whole face was covered, and in front of you put some doors to ensure you can't even bend and see where you are going or whatever happens. And I was, if I know it, I had been taken to a place I don't know, showed the room, with the back room and small room. And when I reached that room, every single person of the gentlemen that picked me took a turn to beat, to kick, to do anything they want. Up until when I was hit on the head here, and a lot of blood was oozing out. That's when they stopped beating. And even now, if you look at the scar on the head, I have a fear whether I don't need to do a scan to establish whether there is a damage on the scar. All my bodies, and I've been examined by the doctor and police.